So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are DAX statements in Power BI. So we have mainly four statements in Power BI. First one is define, then we have evaluate, then we have order by, and then we have var. So define statement defines the entities that exist only for the duration of DAX query. Then we have evaluate, which is a statement required to execute a DAX query. Then we have order by, which defines one or more expressions used to sort result of a DAX query. And lastly, we have var, which used to store the result of an expression as a name variable, which can then be passed as an argument to other major expressions. Now let's say in other programming language, we have data types, right? Like int, float, char. But over here, whenever you want to declare a variable, you can either use var or you can just ignore the var. Let's say you want to set a default value for your sales, then you can write var sales is equal to 100, or else the second way to define is sales is equal to 100. Both are same. Now let's say we want to sort our data according to the sales price. So that we can do using order by statement. So in this way, we can make use of these statements which are there in Power BI in order to get a result through the DAX query. So thank you so much for watching these tutorials. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.